Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I going to show how to work with Tkinter. That means this is one of the introduction. So as of now about our Tkinter, with the help of this one, I am going to show how to add two numbers and print the result also. Add the number and subtract the number. So as of now here Tkinter, one of the standard library used for everyone. That means it will use it to create the desktop applications, graphical user interface. There will be a lot of ways supported in the Python. This is a general one. So first of all you have to have some basic idea about Python. If you have basic idea about Python, we can work efficiently with the help of Tkinter here. So as of for this one project, first thing is we have to write the coding like from Tkinter space import asterisk symbol. Then you can write the object-oriented programming, with that means class, object, and so on. So as of now, I'm again repeating. Tkinter is one of the wonderful standard libraries supported for Python for create desktop applications. That is the one GUI. Anyone can use. If you have knowledge, you can create registration form, whatever one you can do it, and after you can extend with the help of SQL also. So here first thing is I'm going to create a class my window. Then I'm call the function definition in init self win, that is window, and self I'm writing the program continue self dot label one startly is equal to label of win comma text called first number, second number, and result also I'm continuously writing. So remember, if you have Tkinter window, the window will be displayed where we can add the title, and we can make the geometry option for add the size and also label buttons, and after that you can add the event handling function, that is more activating the button. Suppose when you press the label, you can enter, user can enter the text and go for the addition or anything. Suppose if we give the submit function, it will take the action and move to the another option, that is called even handling. So we can use the even handling also. So I'm continuing the program, that is entry of bold is equal to 3, and I'm continuing with the button. So button, I'm giving the button, first button name is called add. Similarly, I'm giving another button name called subtract, and I'm going to give the label sizes x equal to 100 comma y is equal to 50. If you want, you can change after some time, your wish, you can change it. And with the help of this project, we can understand how we can work with the Tkinter, and how it will help us display the results. Then we can write continue, then bind method using the bind method, then place. So here label one dot place of x equal to 100 comma y equal to 50. Why I'm giving means it will place the label in the window perfectly some places. Similarly, we can go for place button and button. So here we can write button commands called self dot add. So whenever the user click the add button, it will ready to add the numbers. That is, suppose I'm giving 10 and 5, it will display 15 like that. Similarly, we can write the another one for another button. Same, we are using the code parameters and write another button. So another function called definition add self. Then I'm writing the delete also. Suppose if you have problem, you can delete the options. Then we can use a number num1 is equal to int of self dot t1 dot get. So this is for get the information of the user. Once you want to display the answer, you can go for execution. After execution, user can write the, you are the end user or user can enter the number 10 or 5 like that, and number 2 for another one. So you can give the two numbers, first number, second number, and we can see if we give the addition option, it will display the addition. Then go for you can go and separately write for function called subtraction. So first number, second, from first number you can write it. So here as of addition of two numbers, you can write result is equal to num1 plus num2, and we can write self dot t3 dot insert of end comma str result. That means the result will be stored in the string and displayed immediately. And similarly, you can write it for subtraction also. So we can continue num1 is equal to the same and num2 is equal to the same, and we can write result is equal to num1 minus num2. At last we can complete the coding, that is window is equal to tk. Then we can write my win is equal to my window of window, and I'm going to give the headline called the hello Python, and the geometry size I'm giving 400 multiply 300 plus 10 plus 10. If you want, you can change. At last we get end with the Tkinter with the help of window dot main loop. So the simple project display helpful to display the title of the one. It is always as well as allow for the add of two numbers. Just go add and subtract the two numbers. Just I'm going for execution. So this is a way simply we can work with Python Tkinter. Data can add label buttons, number of buttons, and if you want you can create the registration form and anything. So first number I'm going to give 10, another number I'm going to give 5. So answer, suppose I'm giving add, it will display the answer called 15. Suppose I'm giving subtract, it will give the answer of 5. So this is a simple way how we can work efficiently with the help of Tkinter. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.